everyone, it's Denna from Maxines Fashion Labels in Leesburg, Florida. I am going to show you some different looks today from the brand Multiples. They just launched their Fall 1, which is kind of our intro or transitional fall. And I just want to show some different ways that you can wear some of these pieces. So as always, they have great little tanks in a lot of different colorways. I paired it back with this lace edge kimono style. It's sheer, it has this great little details on it. I paired it with a pair of multiple Slimsation jeans that I rolled at the bottom. I still have my little sandals on, and I have some chunky wood jewelry that's still relevant for summer, but can transition me into fall. Also, if you want to be able to transition this outfit to work or church or something where you don't feel so comfortable with wearing jeans, Slimsations also has this little capri that has great little rhinestone detailing at the bottom and the little cutouts. Or if you just need a good work pant, this is Slimsation's ankle pant, and you can see this pairs back and changes the whole look of the outfit. So that's what. So with this, I still have the peach tank, but I just wanted to wear this chunky little, it's almost like a beachy sweater. I love it. It's loose, it's stretchy, it's easy to wear, super comfy, and we all want comfy right now. Even if you aren't going out, you still want to wear something around the house. It's just so cozy and comfy. I still have it on with the cute little Slimsation jeans, and I'm still rocking my sandals. Okay, so now I still have the same tank, same chunky sweater, and I just paired it back with Slimsation's little printed ankle pant. So say you were at the market earlier in the day, the farmer's market, and then a friend calls and says, hey, let's go out for drinks or dinner. And you just want to dress it up a little more. You can put these nice stretchy sateen, cute little printed pant, same sandals, just a different little necklace, not so chunky, and it's a whole nother outfit. Okay, so here's the next outfit, and so this is just the same peach tank that I've had on all along, and this awesome animal print top with the buttons down the back. And this is the ankle Slimsation pant again. I probably would wear this also back with denim and then tie it up in the front like this, just for a little more, I don't know, fashionable. Like if you're, going out on the weekend or at night, I would definitely tie it up in the front. Or if I would let it all the way out and wear it with a legging. So that's 3 outfits with one shirt. Super flowy, very comfy. It's kind of a muted animal print, so it's not super loud. Yep. These are great fitting pants. The Slimsations, they have just a little faux pocket right here, and then they have a pocket in the back, and this has the tummy tuck panels in them. We have these in all sizes. Mom always has these in stock. This is her best-selling pant, the Slimsation. So this next look features a fishnet style fabric with this print that's kind of muted on it. And I believe this is actually a 2-piece set. So you get the tank and the top. And then I paired, but they're not attached. So you can use them interchangeably with the rest of the group that I've been showing you. And I paired it back with the crop, the Slimsation crop with the tummy tuck panel in it. And it has the ladder with the rhinestone accent on it. Great little transitional summer to fall outfit, but I'm gonna show you it in a different style.